If you accidentally deleted a CapCut project, don't panic. In this video, I'll show you how to recover a deleted CapCut project fast using the built-in trash or recycle area inside the app. This is a simple method that can save your edit, your time, and a lot of frustration if you remove the wrong project by mistake. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick CapCut tips and editing guides. Let's jump right into it. First, open the CapCut app on your device and make sure you are signed in to the same account that you used when you created the project. This part is very important because if you're logged into the wrong account, your deleted project may not appear in the recovery list. Once you're inside CapCut, take a look at the home dashboard. You should see your recent projects and the main menu options. Now, look for the trash icon. In many versions of CapCut, this is usually located in the top right corner of the home screen. If you do not see it immediately, take a moment to scan the upper area of the dashboard carefully. CapCut sometimes changes the layout slightly depending on the app version, but the trash or deleted projects area is typically easy to find once you know where to look. After you tap the trash icon, CapCut will open a list of deleted projects. This is where recently removed edits are stored before they are permanently erased. Browse through the list and find the project you want to bring back. If you have more than one deleted project, double check the name, thumbnail, or last edited details so you restore the correct one. Once you've selected the deleted project, click Restore. CapCut will begin recovering the project and return it to your main projects list. In just a moment, your deleted edit should appear again just like before. From there, you can open it, continue editing, and pick up right where you left off. If the project does not show up in the trash, it may have been deleted too long ago or permanently removed. In that case, recovery may not be possible through the app itself. That's why it's always a good idea to restore important projects as soon as possible and keep backups of your work whenever you can. And that's it. Now you know how to recover a deleted CapCut project fast. A few quick taps and your lost edit can be back in place in seconds. If this video saved your project, please give it a like, subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.